everybody, welcome back to another video. This was in regards to a DM I've gotten off of the Instagram page, and I had somebody ask me about subscription boxes, and one, if I did if I offered subscription boxes through my own business, and two, what do they include? They're looking to get started in subscription boxes themselves, and we're looking for a little bit of guidance. So I figured I would do a dedicated video as to what I include in my subscription boxes to give you guys an idea, so that if you are curious about doing your own subscription boxes, you have a jumping point to how to start. This is not the end-all be-all of subscription boxes. This is just what I include in mine. So it gives you a jumping point to maybe consider what you would like to include in your own subscription boxes as well. Now, my boxes usually include a woven headband, a bubblegum bead necklace, and a bow, as well as a mystery bow. It's usually themed somehow to go along with the box. But this was one of the subscription boxes I had that remained unpaid. We'll bring it up so you guys can see. This is the bow, and it's got this cute little accent bow made out of rhinestone mesh. It is a bitty boutique bow. I will include videos for all of the items that I make down below, so that if you guys want to recreate items like this for your own boxes, you can. But this is the bow portion of the bow of the month. The subscription box, sorry. And this is the headband that goes along with it. If you notice, this theme was mermaids. So the bow and the headband match. And then included with that is also a necklace. So as you guys can see, this would be one set, right? Yeah, this would be one. This would be the box. And the mystery bow, I did glitter canvas French bows in the colors. So this was the whole set. Now, to package them up, it's really simple for me. I'm not going to show you how to box up your orders, because I have a video that I will also link below on how I do that as well. But to ship the necklaces, I usually get these bags. You can buy them at Walmart in the jewelry section, and it is just a 5x7 baggie, little Ziploc, and I will fold the necklace kind of in half, but careful not to bend the wire, because these are made with wire. So you don't want to bend the wire, otherwise it will ruin the necklace. And just gently, very, very gently, cannot stress that enough, very gently stick it in the bag. And once it's in the bag, I generally try to shimmy it a little bit to where I can get it to lay flat. It does take a little bit of effort, and occasionally I will have to open up the bag, as you can see here, and let some of the air out. Moving it around does tend to cause air pockets. I don't know why, but it is what it is. So I will get it to where it's laying flat. And as always, I package everything up in cello bags. This particular one has silver stars on it, and I actually got this one at Dollar Tree. I find that Dollar Tree has a lot of really cute cello bags and different prints. Now the headband goes in first, and then I tuck the necklace inside the headband, as you can see. Oh, there we go, there. And then I will put the bow in and the mystery bow. I'm flipping it around because all of my orders go with these thank you bags. They've got my business card in it, there's stickers, there's these raffle tickets that again I get at Dollar Tree as well. Stickers are from Dollar Tree as well. And it usually will either have a small bow, or in this case has 2 fold over elastic hair ties. Just a quick little thank you for my customers, and that'll get tucked into the bag as well. I always stick those in the back, and then it gets folded up. My plan is to hopefully this year in 2021 get specific boxes for my subscription boxes, but I just seal it with a little thank you sticker. And my subscription boxes, I offer 4 different types of bows. However, the one set of bows does not come with a headband or a necklace. They are strictly just bows. For this type of package, I offer a pinwheel, the Bitty Boutique option, or the boutique bow option. And my 4th option is cheer bows that I just started doing, and they seem to actually be pretty popular with my customers. So hopefully this has answered the question that you had, my wonderful subscriber, on what I include in my subscription boxes. I hope this has helped you. If you have any questions about subscription boxes, please feel free to leave them below. I will do my best to answer them. I'm no expert on subscription boxes. I can only answer questions based off of my own experiences, but please feel free to leave them below. If you have any video suggestions, also please feel free to leave them below in the comments. Make sure to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to set your notifications to all, so you are notified every time I upload a new video. I will be working through a bunch of different ones. I believe Easter is my next one coming up, so keep your eyes peeled out for that one. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to check out my Instagram page. I will have that linked below down in the description box. And have a wonderful day. Bye.